Welcome to TNS Manufacturing. Today we're going to look at changing the grinding wheel on the CZ223 chain grinder. The first thing we need to do is rotate the diamond tip dressers out of the way so that we can remove the cover. Start by removing the left two thumb screws. Next, remove the front right thumb screw. For the last thumb screw in the right rear, we just want to loosen it so that we can use it to pivot the cover to the back. Hold the wheel with one hand and use the included wrench to loosen the nut on top of the grinding wheel. The nut can now be unthreaded and the washer removed. Once the old wheel has been removed, the new grinding wheel can be installed. Please note that the washer has a recess on the bottom side and should be placed against the grinding wheel. The nut can now be threaded back on. It is recommended to hold the wheel with one hand again and use the included wrench to tighten the nut. Do not over tighten the nut though. Doing so may crack a wheel or make it extremely difficult the next time you need to remove it. The cover can now be swung back into place and the thumb screws are reinstalled. That's all there is to change the wheel on the CZ223 chain grinder. The next video in the series will cover shaping the grinding wheel with the diamond dressers. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media so that you can be alerted to future videos and content.